Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
I think the good thing is we were able to engage with local businesses, you know, and not enough organisations open the door to, you know, sort of events like this, because it's not getting them any profit, and it's not about making money in the profit.
Well, I got involved because I think it's putting something back into the community, really, and it's nice to be involved with such a noble cause.
Well, we're Wilson's Flooring Specialists Limited. We do a range of domestic flooring and we do commercial flooring as well.
Yeah, we are going to the Gauntlet Birds of Prey on the way back. We're calling in at a Hedgehog sanctuary.
Free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day.
Very excited. It's actually a place I've never been to before, so I think I will be as excited as the children. So yeah, it should be a really, really good day.
I got white shoes because if they go on us, if they do something on us, then it will match.
Stars, when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life.
Well, I think it's something that you can look back on when the children are older. Hopefully, they can look back on something that, you know, a lot of kids don't get the opportunity to do such things, and I think it's a novel way and a nice way for them to see a bit of nature, if you like. I think it's right and proper, really, that you should do something when you get the opportunity to put something back in. They get close up and personal with the birds, you know, and I believe they can have a go at, you know, the glove and such like. I think it's an awesome experience for them.
She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical in color lights. So far from typical, but take my.
It's the educational side of it as well. We've all learned something that we didn't know about birds and about hedgehogs, you know, and that's what it's all been about. Having fun, enjoying ourselves and learning a bit more.
Oh baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly. Oh sugar, how you get so fly. Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly. Oh sugar, how you get so fly. You and tight, sugar with just the right amount of spice. I'm in the loop and everyone's desire. She's out to get you, you can't run, you can't hide. She's something mystical in color lights. I say, so far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well baby, don't you be surprised. Drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar.
Well, it's something I've never done, so it'd be nice to have a go. Although it would probably frighten the life out. Well, I was surprised how light they are. You know, they look like quite a piece of work. Some of the birds, don't they? And they really, I was so surprised. As light as a feather.
But you won't get me tonight.
They put an educational slant on it and taught them about each species, which I thought was brilliant.
If you do steal it, watch what happens. Hungry owl, pasty mouse, takes it very politely, even says thank you today, and gulps it down in one go.
So sick, I wish I'd stay asleep today. I never thought this day would end. I never thought tonight could ever be this close to me. Just tried to see in the dark.
It's been marvellous for us, and hopefully the children have had a good time. They've been very well behaved as well, which helps.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I hope all the people get involved in it and just do something.
But if I had your face, I could make it safe and clean.
She thought she was like this. Wait, don't be eating me. That's what she thought. What are they called? They're called ostrich. Ostriches. They're called ostriches.
So what was your favourite bit then?
The pheasants bit. The bird show, where did I? Yeah, the falcon, I loved. The falcon show.
We went to the bird thingy. We saw loads of birds and we had to do a scavenger hunt to see who gets as many stamps as, and you had to sort out the birds.
A vulture. So a vulture and a vulture.
I got a sticker book.
And if you were one of them birds today, which one would you be?
A falcon.
What bird would you be?
A hawk.
A hawk?
That's eating a bone.
Oh, if only I was sure that my head on the door was a dream.
And these people in this hedgehog sanctuary, fantastic. They do a great job.
Without a doubt.
Yeah. I didn't realise they were on such a downward slope, decline in numbers. It's
all to do
amazing.
with the designer gardens, as they said. You know, people are having artificial grass, and there's just nowhere for them to go. You know, and it's sad really, because you don't realise. They said the population's declined by 97%, was it? You know, in the last few years.
Long grass, that's why even people have to be careful as well.
It's been brilliant. Yeah, I thought it was great. The kids seemed to enjoy it, and the packed lunch went down well. But yeah, I thought it was a brilliant day. Yeah, great organisation, yeah, and it's a very, very well run. Yeah, so I was impressed with the organisation, you know, throughout the day. Fantastic, yeah.
I think it's good for all businesses to get involved, so they need to open the door and get stuck in. iPLANit kids can help do that, you know.
but for the chance just to give something back to some of these children, it's a good thing, I think. And I'd hope other businesses, you know, if they see this footage on social media, get involved. It would not make a difference, and it makes you feel good. And what you're doing for the children, just amazing.